Good morning. Hi, how are you doing? I'm doing good, even if you didn't ask. Today I'm gonna be taking you with me the whole day. Hope you're gonna like this vlog. I'm super happy and super excited for this day. I'm always excited for a new day because I feel like it's a new chapter, a new chance that God is giving me to live out the best way that I can ever live. I'm very excited for today, especially because I'm vlogging. So I just recently got these braids. They look super cute. I know. It's somehow hard to style them because they still hurt, but I love the way they look. Oh, this is my look for today. Let's go. I came at Burundi to get my lunch, which is in 2 hours. So I'm gonna be able to eat after, like, in 2 hours. That's when I'm gonna be able to eat. But I'm taking my lunch with me. I'm super hungry. I spent 24 hours not eating, imagine. I've been drinking water, like lots of water. Yeah, super proud of myself. This is the food, this is the food. So we are going to play Uno with my friends here.
Kinaona Tracy. Kinaona Tracy. Really dangerous.
Because we want to go to teams. Tugiye dukine Uno, ndamutsinde nazibonye ikarata ziwe mwazibonye. You see the cards? Ndakina. Nkiniranga. Kinanga.
Nshaka mani turivo.
Kuwe.
Kora ubugenzi bwacu buri preso. I don't want to play this.
Umukino urabandanya.
C'est compétitif. Bleu.
Nukina muhane umuntu atoye na sivyo mwezi biri mani
Ima. Kiki. Control. Together, bonnet.
So I look super good. I'm going to film for a church thingy. Church news, yes. So you see how I'm a star? Look. I'm a star. Hello guys, welcome back.
Como vai nessa channel guys?
Singo mindu. Io più a una hora mi ingejenga. Nyeke. Nyeke tutata. Yo. Unatafanya mu.
Climatiseur yaishe.
Ucunza atanga kuvuga. Kazi mu makuru yaranze mu gatondo kwi.
Tan.
ayandi makuru nk'iya kane tukaja tugufata gatoya
umunani mu bihumbi 2023 kuva itariki 29 z'ukwezi k'umunani gushika itariki 3 z'ukwezi kw'icenda mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2023 bashimiye ko mwakurikiranye amakuru ya mwakoze kudukurikira twifurije ukwezi kwa 11 kwiza Imana ibahezagiye. I'm done. This is what my day was like. I didn't do much. I had a long day, even though I wasn't able to do everything that I had planned to do. But I enjoyed taking you with me throughout the day, and I really don't know what I'm saying because my brain is not processing very well. But thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!